Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with just kind of a little mishmash. I have a project share, a couple things I got at Amazon and a couple things I got at JoAnn's. First, I wanted to share, I was in a swap on Facebook in one of my groups, and we had to make 2x2 square embellishments, and these were the ones that I received. Let me get that light on better. So this one says, hello there, heart and soul, fearless, live this life and good life. And I always forget to record mine before I send it out, which I should have done. So super cute. We were supposed to make 5. And then she also sent me these stickers, dimensional stickers. And my favorite thing is this bag topper. It says tickets, and it's a ticket shaker underneath there. So I'm definitely going to peel that off and reuse it. And these are perfect for summer. So thank you, Tabitha, if you watch my channel. And then I wanted to show you a project share. My favorite thing to make is cards. And every holiday, every special occasion, I make the cards. I never buy them. So I made a couple Father's Day cards, one for my dad and one for Greg's dad. And then I made a graduation card for my niece, Maddie. But here is the first card I made. I just backed it with this gray kind of textured basil paper. And I put a journaling card on here. I made a little flag and put, I love you, so glad you're my dad. And my dad is a golfer. He also works at a golf course. So, so I made it just golf themed. And then I always leave it blank on the inside so I can write on it. So that was my first card I made. And then I made this one for Greg's dad. It says, Mr. Fix-It, Father Knows Best, One Rad Dad. Has a couple of ties, a mug of coffee, and a remote control. And then I just added some little accents to embellish it with. And I used a lighter gray on the back of that. And then here is the graduation card I made. Has 2 graduation hats. It says, hats off, we're so proud of you, yippee yahoo, brainiac. There's a little diploma, congrats grad, and then it says graduation. Oh, that one's coming off. Let me fix that. And then I embellished it with 2 little owls that are graduation. I used some black and white paper underneath to go with that black theme of graduation. So I have to get this filled out and mailed to my niece. So there is that. And then I picked up a couple things at Amazon. First, I had a company reach out to me, and they wanted to send me a Hirsch bracelet. It's a watch band, actually, and it's for a 20 millimeter. Yeah. Comes with a little tool, and it's a leather watch band, so super nice. And it doesn't fit my fossil watch. My fossil watch is a 18, I think, and yeah, so this is just a little wide for mine. But if you have a 20, I think it's a 20 millimeter. No, this one's 20, yeah. So if you have a watch that size, let me know, because once I'm done reviewing this and I do my little survey, I can put this in the mail to you. Hirsch is an excellent brand. They do sell these on Amazon, so I got it from Amazon, and yeah, they're very expensive, very nice, totally leather. And I picked up the black, so I'll let you know how that goes. And like I said, if you think this would fit your watch. Let me show you the little, it has the same connection that goes to my watch, my Fossil watch. It just, you just push this little button and stick it onto your watch, the watch face. So, so yeah, let me know if you, if I can send this out to someone that can use it after I get done with my review. Oh, that doesn't go in there. The watch goes in there. Crazy me. Put that in there, and that, and then this goes in here. And then I picked up a couple of makeup products from Amazon that I was out of. I wanted to try a few things that are a little less expensive, and I needed a setting powder. So I got this Revolution Banana is the color of it. It's for medium skin. It's a baking powder based loose setting powder. So, so far I love it. I used it this morning for the first time, and my face is not oily. It sets my makeup really well. And then, usually I use the Shape Tape, but this time I got the 18-hour Hydrating Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer. Has hyaluronic acid, and it's waterproof, and it lasts for 18 hours. I tried to wipe it off with a wet wipe, and when I put it on my hand, and it was, you know, it didn't come off. You have to scrub it. So that I use like on my little blemishes or under my eyes, and I'm liking it. It did not seem to crease or anything like that, and it was less expensive, maybe $12, $13. The setting powder was $8. And I will link all of this stuff down below in the comments. And then I also needed a new concealer brush. And I like that this one comes with a little case so that your concealer that's on the end of your brush doesn't get all over your makeup bag and all the things. So, love that. And then I picked up just a couple things. I needed some card bases and envelopes for when I make cards. So I got this pastel pack made by Park Lane. You get 40 cards in envelopes, 5 of each color, and these are A2. So there's all your colors. And then I always like to have the white on hand, and these are 50 cards in envelopes, A7 size. And these were $11.99. These were $10.99. But right now, today, you get an extra 20% off in-store or online. So I saved like $4.60 and got them both for just under $20. So that is my little haul. I have a couple other videos coming out soon, so be watching for those. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.